everyone, and thank you so much for watching my channel, The Witty Turtle. And in this particular video, we are going to start with illustration number 5. So the question says 4 jobs can be processed on 4 different machines. Okay, we have 4 jobs and 4 machines with 1 job on 1 machine. Okay, resulting profits vary with assignments. So इनमें से जो profit आता है ना, that varies with the job allocation. Okay, कौन सा job कौन से machine पे हो रहा है, according to that the profit varies. So the profit is given here. Now find the optimum assignment of jobs to machines and the corresponding profit. So what is the main objective in this question? The main objective is that you have to maximize the profit in this case. Okay, you have to maximize the resulting profits. So you have to allocate the machines to the you have to allocate the jobs to the machines in such a manner that your entire profit will maximize, right? So what is the very first thing you have to do here? Tell me. As this is a question of maximization, so you have to convert the maximized matrix into a minimized matrix. So for that, what are you supposed to do? So the first thing is that you have to identify the maximum number in this matrix. So as far as I can see, the maximum number is 42, right? So you have to deduct you have to deduct every number from 42. Okay, see, 42 minus 42, 0. Then 42 minus 30, that is 12. Then again 42 minus 30, that is 12. Then again 42 minus 24, that will be 18. And like this, you can make this a relative loss matrix, right? Now after that, what will be the next step? Obviously row operation करना है आपको. So when you are doing row operation, in the first row you have 0 as the minimum number, so it will be the same, right? Now in the second row, what is the minimum number? The minimum number is 12, so you have to deduct 12 from all the numbers. So it will be 0, 5, 10, 15, and the same for the third row also. Now in the fourth row, what is the minimum number? It is 18. So again, when you deduct 18 from all these numbers, it will be 0, 4, 8, 12. Understood? Now you have to perform column operation. Column operation आपको कैसे करना है? You have to check the minimum number in the first column, that is 0. So ये 0 ही हो जाएगा. Now in the second column, what is the minimum number? The minimum number is 4. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3110, right? 3110. Now in the third column, what is the minimum number? It is 8. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 6220. Now in the next column, what is the minimum number? It is 12. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 9330, right? So you got your matrix after performing column operation, right? After performing column operation. Now what is the next step? You have to do the optimality test. For that, first row में आपको check करना है, you have only 1 0. So yes, this entire column gets cancelled. Then in the second and third row, you don't have any 0. Now in the fourth row, you have 3 0. So you can't cut any of these. Now you have to check column wise. So in the second column, you have only 1 0. So yes, ये आपका cut हो गया. Now look at this matrix and tell me what is the order of the matrix. Order is 4. And you have how many zeros? You have only 2 zeros. 1, 2. So you do not reach optimality. Now again, what is the next step that you have to perform? The next step is you have to find out the minimum number amongst the uncut numbers. So minimum number is 1. Now what are you supposed to do? 0, 0, 0. Then yes, it will be 1 because here there is an intersection, right? So ये हो जाएगा 1 and this will be again 0, 0 and 0, right? Now you have to deduct 1 from each number. So ये हो जाएगा 2, 0, 0, then 5, 1, 1, then 8, 2, 2, right? Now what is the next step? Again you have to find how many zeros are there in the first row. So there is only 1 0. So this entire column gets cancelled. Now in the second row also only 1 0 is there, right? So this column also gets cancelled. Now in the third row there is no 0, and in the fourth row there are 2 zeros, right? Now what is the next step? Because you don't have any 0 in third row and you have 2 zeros in the fourth row, so you have to perform column operation. So in the third column you have only 1 0, so cut this entire row. So in this case also you do not reach optimality because your order is what? 4 and you have 3 zeros. So you do not reach optimality, right? Now what is the next step? You have to find the minimum number amongst the uncut numbers. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will be 0, 0, 0 and here it was 1. So you will again add 1 in that because the minimum number is 1. So it will become 2. Then again 2, 0, 0, 1. Again 1 you have to add because here also there is an intersection. Now you have to deduct 1 from all these uncut numbers. So they will become 4, 0, 0, 0 and 7, 1, 1, 0, right? Now again you have to do the row operation. You have to find out how many zeros are there in the first row. You have only 1 0, so cut the entire column. Now in the second row you have 2 zeros. In the third row also you have 2 zeros, and in the fourth row also you have 2 zeros. If you check column wise, then also you have 2 zeros, and here also you have 3 zeros, and here you have only 1 0. This will get cancelled. So here how many options do you have? Obviously you have to perform diagonal operation. So you can take 1, 2 or you can take 1, 2, right? So you have these two alternative options only. So yes, table showing optimal allocation. The first solution is what? For job 1 it is machine A. तो ये तो constant ही है आपका. For job 1 and 4 you have A and D. And for job 2 and 3 you can either take B and C or C and B respectively. Like this if you go, then your answer will be same only, right? So your maximum profit you can identify by adding these values. Okay, understood? I hope this is clear by now. So that was it for the video and I really hope आप लोगों को ये video समझ में आया है. And if you really find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, The Witty Turtle, and share this video with your CMA, intermediate friends, MBA friends and BBA friends who have this particular chapter in their syllabus. And if you want to get connected with me, then all the links for my social media handles are given in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out.